Product overview. Stock items in Acumatica become simple products on the website. They are connected by the inventory ID in Acumatica and the SKU on the website. We highly recommend creating inventory IDs using only numbers, letters, and hyphens. We sync active products. We send information using push notifications, sent on save, or data adjusted by a business event. There is one-way integration between Acumatica and the website. We use an attribute in Acumatica to determine whether to display on the website. Product types. The Weka platform works with stock items, non-stock items, template items, and kits. Acumatica stock items become simple products on the Weka platform. Non-stock items also become simple products without any stock management selected. Template items become variable products. A variable product has a row attribute and a column attribute to determine the matrix of stock items. An example is a t-shirt with a list of products by size and color. Non-stock and stock kits sync to the website as simple products. We sync the kit inventory ID back into Acumatica on the sales order, with Acumatica doing the heavy lifting. Standard fields. The description becomes the title of the product. We can use an attribute as the short description. We can use an attribute to confirm it is a website product. The description tab becomes the main description on the website. Standard pricing. The MSRP becomes the price of the product on the website. If the default price is lower than the MSRP, we can use this as a retail special price for the product. We can also use a customer price class or base price to determine the product's retail price, which is managed in sales prices. Product categories. Set the product category in the Weka platform. Both the Weka platform and item sales categories support a tree-based setup. Both platforms support the ability to add products to multiple categories. Attributes. Attributes set against the stock item can sync back to the Weka platform as attributes or meta fields. Attributes contain helpful information about the product, such as size, length, minimum order quantity, or lead time. We can set the system to exclude internal attributes. Product images. The Weka platform supports images stored in Acumatica. The Weka platform will create a copy of the image and store it on the website. The image upload order in Acumatica will determine the image order on the website. Weka platform supports multiple images. The first image uploaded on Acumatica becomes the featured image, and each additional image becomes the gallery. Related items. Weka Online supports cross-sell and upsell related items. Developers can configure the cross-sell and upsell items as they see fit. Upselling encourages customers to purchase a more expensive or higher quality version of the same product, while cross-selling involves recommending additional or complementary products to the customer's initial purchase. Stock availability. The Weka platform works with available, available for shipping, or available for issue. The customer must select an option and notify Weka Online. Non-stock items. Non-stock items work the same way as the stock items, except for managing stock on the website. Non-stock items sync to the website as a simple product. Non-stock items have the same fields as a stock item, including title, description, attributes, and item sales categories. Variable products. Template items become variable products. The matrix of stock items created against the template item becomes the product variations on the website. Template items have the same fields as a stock item for the parent product, including title, description, attributes, and item sales categories. Bundled kit products. Non-stock kit items sync to the website as a simple product. Non-stock kit items have the same fields as a stock item, including title, description, attributes, and item sales categories. The integration sends the kit item inventory ID on the sales order line. Acumatica handles the processing of the kit from sales order to sales invoice.